Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Treherne, Manitoba, a charming town tucked between rolling farmland and prairie skies. Treherne began to grow in the early 1890s thanks to the arrival of the Canadian Pacific Railway, which brought new settlers and business to the area. The town was named after George Treherne, an early settler and lawyer from Winnipeg who played a key role in its development. Agriculture quickly became the heartbeat of the community, and it still is today. One unique attraction here is the glass bottle buildings, a quirky and beautiful set of structures made from thousands of glass bottles. With its quiet charm, tidy streets, and welcoming people, Treherne is a great example of small-town Manitoba. Whether you're here for the bottle houses or just enjoying the peaceful pace, Treherne is a place worth discovering. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Treherne, Manitoba.